Hey, I'm just spooning some tomato salsa onto my chilled avocado soup. Now, this is an idea I got many years ago when I saw avocado milkshakes. Actually, avocado shake, which is way too sweet because they put condensed milk in it. This is not sweet. This is totally refreshing and delicious, creamy, and you get a little bit of pizzazz from that tomato salsa. It's a great summer soup. There's no cooking involved. You just bang it all together in the mixer. This is just mixed together by hand, and that's it. Very easy to make, so let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. To make our chilled avocado soup with tomato chutney, but we have our chutney and we have our soup. So first, let's go over the ingredients for the chutney. What I've got here is one large tomato, which has been finely chopped, and then I've put it in a colander for about 10 minutes to drain, because you see, get rid of that water that's in there. Also, what we have here is 2 tablespoons of minced up green onion, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin powder, a good dash of salt, a good dash of pepper. Over here, for our soup, 2 avocados, which have been peeled and then cubed. And again, you can see the video that shows you exactly how easily to pit, cube, and peel an avocado on our Patreon in the kitchen tech videos that are there. We've got one on avocados. Here we have 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of heavy cream, that's 35% or plus, and a good dash of salt. So first, let's make the salsa so we can have that ready to go. All we do is take our tomatoes, put them into a smaller bowl. We can get rid of the colander here. Then just add in all the other ingredients. So in goes the green onion, garlic, chili powder, cumin powder, salt, pepper. Put that aside, and what we do is just mix this together. Smelling good with the chili powder. All right, so now what I like to do is put this into a nice little bowl, like okay, this little guy here. That's nice to serve up on the table alongside. And everybody can put their own salsa sauce on top of their avocado soup. Just fits. So just put that in a small spoon up on the table and put it up beside your soup. So let's make the soup. Now what we have here is, again, those avocados. So everything goes in the blender. The elbows go in the blender. In goes the milk. In goes the salt. And I like to save the cream for afters. I'll put that a little bit later, especially if you've got a heavier cream. In summer it's not a big problem. In winter, it could start whipping up on you. So first I just get this ready. All right, so that's pureed up nicely. Let's add in the cream. And then mix that a little bit more. Yeah, just enough to get the cream mixed in with the avocado and milk. And you just pour some up. Oh, it's a refreshing summer soup. So you serve up in some bowls so people can add their own salsa to their avocado soup. And that's a great little refreshing soup to have in summer. Enjoy it. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for a chilled avocado soup with tomato salsa on our website. And don't forget to go check out the video on how to easily pit, peel, and cube an avocado at our kitchen tech videos on our Patreon feed. So now go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this refreshing soup, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.